Hello, everyone. It's Scratching without Holly today. I don't know where she is.
She's somewhere.
I fed her a little while ago, so I think she's gone down for a nap. She takes the same nap every day.
She's a child at times.
Yeah, she takes a nap every day at the same time, so I probably shouldn't have done this at this time, but we had to do it, so shall do it without her today.
She has her box on my desk, but she's sleeping in Jillian's basket over there on the bench.
On the bench?
Yeah, Jillian's basket.
Bench?
Yeah.
Oh, there she
That's
is.
Jillian's basket.
That's Jelly Bean's basket.
Yeah, she's not here. She's upstairs. I ate. Now I'm sitting here digesting and
Yeah,
napping.
she says I'm tired.
It's nap time. You know that, she says.
Yeah, you don't. Ooh,
And she
was that a burp?
That was a burp.
Excuse you.
You burped on camera, Holly.
Excuse you. She said you just
Hashtag
woke.
Holly burp.
Yeah. All right. As long as nothing else explodes, that's okay. Burps are acceptable. All right. We'll see you in. Oh, maybe she's got the hiccups.
I'm sure I have the hiccups. All right, scratch the burp. Hashtag Holly hiccups.
Holly hiccups. Let's see. She did just eat though, but let's see. We'll let her stay there. I don't want to get anything else.
No.
All right. Maybe she'll go to sleep and then the burp will
I'll keep
stop.
listening to see if I hear any more
The
hiccups.
hiccups will stop.
That's too funny. Holly hiccups.
Holly hiccups. All right. We have two of my favorite tickets set for life from New York, 1 and 2. We had some friends get us some tickets, and so we shall scratch. All right. And our lucky, you all know what these are.
Okay,
You can get a coin. You can get a star, which gets you 10 times, or you can get the word life.
Yep.
Or you just win 5 factor prizes.
Which you're good at. Let's take the life for this time.
Yeah. 7. Lucky 7 is our first number. 14, 8, 20, 27, and 17. So we got a mixture.
And 7 derivatives, yeah.
7, 8, 14, 17, 20, 27. No 30s. All right, let's see what we have. A 2. No. And a 10. No. A coin.
Ding, ding, ding. Your favorite.
Ding, 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 ding. I love to get coins.
I know you do. You haven't got one in a while.
I know.
Especially in these
Because,
tickets.
yeah. All right. I like the coins.
All right.
You can take them to the bank. And a 4. No, we have a lot of 4s, but 14. 7, 14. And a 9. Must thought that was a 7 there. We have a 7 and an 8. We have a 25. No. And we have a 12. No. Come on. 26. We have a 27. We're getting close. 29. Too high. 27's our highest. And a baby 1. So 1 coin so far. 18. We have the 17. 5. 24. No. Lucky 13. Not today. We have his brother 14. And, I thought that was a 7. 3.
So we want the word life under that coin.
We have 1 coin, 1 win, 1 chance.
Life.
All right, let's go for set for life. Whoa, wouldn't that be fun? And it is a $10 win. We'll take it.
All right.
$10 is a $10.
Not complaining at all.
Not at all. $10 win under that coin. All right, and we have no other numbers that match. No. All right, next number. 22. 8. 2. 6. Low numbers.
Yeah.
26. And a lucky 7.
Wow. Look at that.
2, 6, 7, 8, 22, and 26. Come on, let's go for a four-factor. 16. 22. Ding, 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 ding. Back to back. All right. 21. 29. That was on the last one, I think, wasn't it?
No.
No?
That was one of these numbers you scratched, but not one of these numbers.
20. Not yet. 26. Ding, 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 ding.
All right, 2 winners.
So 2 winners. We had the 22 and the 26. All right, we're going for a trifecta. A coin.
Trifecta.
Trifecta.
All right, keep going now.
All righty. 30. That one's too high. Another coin. 2 coins.
In the fountain?
Yes. 2 coins in a fountain and 1 on the other ticket.
That's 3 coins and 2 tickets. You're doing good with the coins. That's a four-factor on that ticket now. All right, keep going.
I am so excited. 24. No.
Come on, five-factor.
Let's go for a trifecta. And this is ticket number
2. And so the first 2 tickets of the book, or the last 2 tickets of the book, are both winners.
27. No. I thought it was a 7 at first, but there was a little 2 in front of it. All right. Let's see what we've got. We've got a 3. No 3. Chicken legs 11. Come on. 19. No teens. Come on. 12. No 12. All right. So the first winner is a 22. Let's see what that's.
Big wins, big zeros, big win. Come on.
That is a $10 win.
All right.
Okay for that. And then, let me see, 21, 29, and 20, 26 over here. Let's see what this one is. That is a $10 win. So $20 so far, and then we have the 2 coins in the fountain. All right, let's say that is a $20 win. Excellent, excellent. So that's 40 so far.
Yeah.
And then the second coin, oh boy, I'm so excited. That is a $10 win.
All
so
right.
this is a $50 ticket.
Yeah, the $10
plus
ticket over here. You one of the last 2 tickets in the book. How about that?
$10 over there and $50 over here.
Nice, good win.
Excellent.
Nice
and that was
day.
on ticket 1 and 2. That was an exciting ticket. I haven't
That
gotten
was.
one of those in
I
a
know,
long
that was
time.
good. I'm glad you got that. That was excellent.
Yeah, 2 of them.
Very
so
nice.
$60 win. That
Very
is a
nice.
nice win
Yeah, that's really good.
on 2 $10 tickets set for life. So it's a good thing we got these. I'm so excited.
Yeah, very good. Good win.
All right, folks, if you like what we do, sorry we didn't have any Bengal luck.
No, she's in Jillian's basketball
But
places.
I went over to see her, so she sent me some Bengal
She
burpee Bengal luck.
She burped out some Bengal luck to you. She hiccuped that Bengal luck right
Yeah,
across
hiccups
the
or
room.
burping, I don't
She's
know which.
sleeping over there now.
That's all right. Yeah, she's sound asleep.
Just had her lunch.
All right, folks. So exciting. All right. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll send you some good luck with your scratching.